Hey guys, what's going on? Hey Howard, how's it going? Did you get some fishing done over the weekend? So here we are looking at gold time frame, downward trend line, upward trend line, and we had this break of the trend line here. And normally that would be a moment for me to go short, but I'm glad I didn't. I could have, but I didn't because I don't see any clear direction today with gold, not yet. We've had this Shanghai opening here on this candle here. Tokyo pushed it down, and then Shanghai pushed it down a little bit more. I went short over here after it broke my trend line here. I went short here, and then I got stopped out. So we've been down and up and down and up and down. It's really staying around this pivot point here at 4058. It's just kind of hanging around there, a little bit below, a little bit above, but staying pretty close to that pivot point. It's like a magnet. So I decided after this first short trade that got hit with a stop loss, I thought I'll just wait for the New York session. Give it time to show us some clear direction. I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything yet. I just adjust my trend line there. Stochastic is in the lower range right now. It's sitting on about 22, so could be heading back up now. It got down in the lower range here, and then it headed back up. Got in the higher range and then headed back down. We're just on a roller coaster today. Not much to report. But let's look at Nasdaq. See what Nasdaq is doing. And it did break my trend line. I wasn't watching Nasdaq today. I know that Alex got in a little bit above here, 28,510. Where did he get in? Right about there, somewhere. So he got a little bit of profit, but I don't know if he's still in the trade or not. And we can adjust this trend line. So nothing really. Nasdaq is, yeah, it's up a little bit, down a little bit. Not much going on. Oil is the story of the day. Look at this. Yeah, started the day at $86 a barrel, and the market opened at $78 a barrel. Wow, huge drop because apparently they have some deal in progress. The art of the deal is being made, maybe. Hey, there's Alex. Are you still in the Nasdaq trade? Okay. So we're waiting on the art of the deal, and that's what's caused the price of oil to go down. I don't know what's going on over there anymore. Who can you believe? Who can you listen to know what's going on? We just take it day by day. But we knew this was going to happen over the weekend, right? For sure. And then Trumpy Dumpty tells all his buddies that he's going to. First, he said he's going to blow everything up, start shooting again, and then on the weekend he says, "No, I think I'll hold off on that." Well, you know what's going to happen when the market opens. If he said that he's going to stop shooting, of course. So all you do is just tell all your buddies to short oil. Absolutely. It's not rocket science. We know what's going on. So let's look at the DXY and see what it's doing. Not much. Came down a little bit this morning with the Tokyo market, and now it's gone back up a little bit, but in a pretty tight range. Yeah, I'm really glad I didn't take this one. Before you came in, Alex, I had my trend line right there, and then this is the
Hey,
10 minutes after the hour. London pushed it down. So according to the strategy, I could have taken the trade right there on this candle here. I would have taken the trade right there. After the close of that one, take the trade there. But I didn't because I don't like what I'm seeing today. It's just it's it's all around this pivot point. I took a short trade over here, this big ass red candle. I took a short trade on this one here, and then I got yeah. So I'll just sit back and wait. Who knows? 40, 44, 40, 47. The pivot point is 40, 58. 40, 58 right there. Is it going to close a gap here? Close a gap here? I don't know. I just wait and see. I don't think I'm going to take a trade in the London session. I'll wait for New York. All of this action over the weekend, even gold gapped way up. Gold gapped up to 40.83. It closed on Friday at 40.46. So that's almost a $40 gap up. Boom. Now the market needs to settle down and decide what it's going to do. I don't see any correlation between gold and oil anymore, at least not now. Does NASDAQ fill the gap? I haven't noticed it too much. Let's see, NASDAQ. As you know, I've only been really trading NASDAQ for 2 or 3 weeks, not really following it. So I'm not that fluent, not that knowledgeable on the regular moves that you can expect from NASDAQ. It's more based on the current AI stock market situation with all these big Anthropic and ChatGPT and all those other AI companies and chip makers and those kind of things. So all I've been going by is just day by day using my trend line setup to decide whether or not to take a trade one way or the other. But if we go back and look on the 4 hour chart, see if I got that one up there, 4 hour, and let's put it on NASDAQ. Yeah, okay. This might give you a better idea. NASDAQ was quite bearish for the last couple of weeks, but then last week it started to come up. So yeah, that could be what you'd say, fill the gap, come back up here to this 29,000 and maybe higher. It looks to be headed that direction. One bearish move last Friday, but now it's getting above what it was on Friday. So that looks like a fill the gap scenario. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and then maybe fill the gap now. That's a possibility. Oh, here we go. Now it's going to do something, eh? Oh, that's still NASDAQ. Oh, you're in good shape now, Alex. Look at this. From, I think you said 5512, now 452, 50 points in profit. Excellent. Good Oh, we can get rid of that trend line. Looking real good. It's 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Yeah, I think we can come in a little bit steeper with the trend line there. Okay. And what do we got? Wow, really tight support. We've got resistance at 28,500, and then our pivot point right below that, and the support at 28.41. That's according to the pivot points indicator. I don't know. Gold is pretty boring today, eh? I'd rather look at Nasdaq. It's a lot more interesting. Yeah, that was a good trade you took there, Alex. So would it go down to the previous day low? That's pretty far down there. Previous day low down around 27.9. Wow. I don't think we'll see that, but I don't know. Without that much experience on Nasdaq, I just traded according to my trendline strategy, and I could have got in this a little bit earlier if I had that trend line over there. Yeah, I could have got in at about 28,500. Right there. Yeah, that would have been a good one. And that was 30 minutes before Wall Street opened. I need to start keeping my eye on Nasdaq. I like trading it on the trading pit because the spread is really tight. Very, very good spread on the trading pit. So this one, if you get the direction right, it can pay off really well. But I cannot trade gold on the trading pit. The spread is really wide. I don't know why, but this is making a good run. Yeah, that's a beauty. So we'll go back to gold. Yeah, gold is just very boring today. And oil, pretty boring. I'm pretty sure the market will be waiting to see what kind of a deal or who's gonna shoot first. Oh man, Bitcoin is down a little bit, 62,000. Don't know why it keeps going back. Yeah, it's just stuck around this pivot point. I don't expect it's going to do much. Maybe at the top of the hour, we sometimes will get a good move after the first hour on the London opening. Will it go up or will it go down? I'm not seeing any clear direction at all right now on gold. Nothing at all. It's in between my two trend lines. Now, if it comes over here, this will be ideal for me because whichever way it goes, then I've got a pretty tight stop loss. This morning I went short over here, but I didn't want to put the stop loss way up here, so I had a tight stop loss. I had a stop loss about right here, and got stopped out. Didn't want to risk too much. But when it's over here, this close to the downward trend line and the upward trend line, man, that's an ideal trade when it breaks one way or the other. That's what we call a plus setup. If you get several touch points, and we've already got three touch points here, and it looks like two touch points already here. So not yet, not yet. Need to be patient. Before I close out, I'm just going to look at Nasdaq again, and that's on the. Oh yeah, need to put my trend line back where it was. Well, we'll put it right there for now. So 28,452. Will it go down all the way to the previous day low? Wow, that would be a big move. I don't know. At least it should come down to this support level, 28,413. That would be your first take profit. Do we have any other support? Let me see what we've got here. Give it another support level there. Oh yeah, 28,383. 28,383. Yeah, the next support level for Nasdaq after that first one. Those are really close together. Right? You don't usually see support and resistance so close together. Okay, remember we have some news tonight. That's at 9 p.m. Indochina time. That's one and a, let's see, 30 minutes after Wall Street opens on the PMI. And that could start to move some things a little bit. It's a high impact trend. Check investing.com or forexfactor.com. But I'll also post it in the Telegram group. Yeah, boy, this is just flat. I'm glad I didn't go short right here. We'll wait and see if it's going to move in my favor. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make this a short one today. I don't see any potential trade setup happening, and I'm not sure that even if that something does come, if it comes later in a couple of hours, then I might take a trade. But really, I'm kind of waiting on the New York session, and we'll see if we get some more activity. Let's see if things are more alive than what they are now. All right, thank all you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to click that like button, and then I'll see you in Telegram chat group. And of course, I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day wherever you are.